Every service delay starts with the same problem: not enough context at the moment it matters most. Technicians are expected to diagnose complex machine issues in the field, often without access to the right service knowledge, machine history, or diagnostic support. Elevāt AI Technician Assistant closes that gap. Now knowledge is in their pocket. Technicians can ask service questions and receive guided support based on machine context, fault information, and diagnostic knowledge on their phone or tablet. The AI assistant provides safety warnings, function indicators, troubleshooting steps, and recommended actions in one conversation. Instead of searching through manuals, waiting on escalations, or relying on guesswork, technicians can now understand what to check, what the issue means, and how to move forward. This means faster diagnostics, consistent service execution, and stronger technician support in the field. Elevāt AI Technician Assistant brings service knowledge closer to the machine, helping teams reduce delays and make more confident repair decisions. Learn how it can transform your service operations today.